Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So guys, this is our new series on PHP. In this series, we will learn about PHP, what is PHP, why do we use PHP. So let me give you an introduction about PHP. Here I have written some key points for you about PHP. So let me open the file. Here you can see I have written PHP, and inside bracket I have written hypertext preprocessor. Its full form of PHP, actually it is an hypertext preprocessor language. It's a programming language. It is used to build websites and web applications. So let's discuss these points one by one. The first point is 55% of websites are built on PHP. Yes guys, 55% of website, a huge amount of website on internet, they are created on PHP. So now you have got an idea that how powerful it is, and it has a huge community. So many the web builders, they use PHP as backend. Now the second point is the world's popular web apps are built on PHP. What's the meaning of web apps? It means the web applications. We have two kinds of webs, like we have website, we have web applications. What is a website? Whenever you open a website on internet, some websites that do not require to get login to create an account, and some are they don't allow you to enter into their website to watch their content without creating an account. Like Facebook is an web application. You cannot open Facebook, you cannot see content without creating an account into Facebook. So Facebook is an web application, and Facebook is created on PHP. I hope you have got an idea of how powerful it is now, and you're excited to learn it. So in third point I have written PHP is used to as backend. We do not use PHP to design our website. To design our website we use CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind. There are so many things to design our website, like React, JavaScript, but it is used as backend. It is used as for programming purpose to make our websites dynamic. So we also have two categories in website, like static website and dynamic website. What is an static website? Whenever you open a website on internet, so it has some content, but the content does not change. When you open a website, the content is changing continuously. It means the website is dynamic. It's changing its content. Like Facebook is dynamic. You do not need to call Facebook, hey Facebook, create an account for me. You create an account yourself. You create post, you share your videos, you do comments. So it is a dynamic web application actually. So in static web applications you can only read, you cannot write post on it. You have got an idea what is website and what is application. Now come into fourth point. It is used to build websites, so it's obvious it is used to build websites. The fifth point is it is used to build dynamic websites. I have told you about it earlier. So coming to sixth point, use is used to build web applications. Now you know what is web application. I hope you have got an idea about it. So let me tell you some more points, that it is a server side scripting language. To use PHP, to run PHP on your browser, you will need a server to run it. But for now we do not have any hosting. As a developer, you are a beginner, so you don't have an hosting. So you can start it by using some softwares. I will tell you the software for your local server. So there is a software, a very powerful software. Just open your browser. Now guys, after opening your browser, open your search bar and write here XAMPP, XAMPP, XAMPP. It is a software for your local server. It provides you a local server to run your PHP code on your. So guys, here you can see the first website is apachefriends.org. You can download it from here, or you can download it from anywhere. Fine. So this is the logo of this software, XAMPP. I just click on the first link, and here it will redirect me to a website. So this is my website that is written XAMPP for Windows. You can download it for Windows. If you're using Windows, you have a desktop Windows. So you can download the bit. If you have 64 bit, you can download 64. If you have 32, you can download for your 32. So it depends on the device you have. Fine. So when you are done with it, you have downloaded your software. So open your XAMPP software, and here you will get some options. Fine. So we will get in first a module is Apache, the second is MySQL, third is FileZilla, fourth one is Mercury, and the fifth one is Tomcat. So what you have to do, just run your the first two options, Apache and MySQL, start and start. What is Apache? Apache is your server and MySQL is your database. Fine, you are done, you have run this. What you have to do, just go into my PC. So this is my PC. Open your local disk C. In your local disk C, go into XAMPP. You will get a folder here, XAMPP. Open your XAMPP folder. Now here you will get so many folders. You do not have to open any folder from me. You just have to open this one, htdocs. You will get a folder. The name of the folder is htdocs. Fine. Open your htdocs folder. Now here create a new folder for your content for your website. So I create this folder and I name it as php. Fine. Now here I have created a folder. What you have to do, you have to open this folder in your code editor, whatever code editor you are using. I am using here Visual Studio, so I open my Visual Studio Code Editor. So guys, I have opened my Visual Studio Code Editor. Now what you have to do, you will get a bar here at the top of your software. So just open the file, and here you will get some options. Click on open folder. So here you will get a pop-up. What you have to do, you have to open your folder which is inside your htdocs. So what we will do, we will go in our this PC, here local disk C and XAMPP and htdocs. Our folder is php. We select the folder. So here as you can see, it has opened our folder php. This is my folder. So what you have to do, inside your folder you have to create a page. So this is the options to create a page. I click on this option and I create a page. The name of the page, you can write any name you want. I will write it index.php. Remember, you can name it anything. You can name it home, you can name it contact, you can name it about, but the extension should be .php. If you're using php inside your page, you have to name it as .php. So this is my .php and click enter. Now as you can see, it has opened the page for me. Now what you have to do to run your php code, we use its php tag, that is our this kind of arrow. Fine, and a question mark and write php. Fine, now close it. You will need to close it, question mark and arrow. Fine. Now inside this php tag, we will write our entire code, whatever you want. So what I have to do, I have to print a code that is hello world. So how would I print code in php? You have to write echo. Fine, echo and double inverted commas. Then inside these commas you have to write whatever you want to print. I will write hello world. Fine. Now to close this you have to mention here a semicolon. It's important to give a semicolon whenever you're closing your code. Fine. So here it is done. What I do, I just go in my file and I save this page. This is save option. You can also use your short keys Control S. So finally I have saved it. So what you have to do now, to how you can open your this page in your browser, how you will see your code. So open your browser. This is my browser, and open a new tab. After opening a new tab, you have to write here in your search bar local host, because the XAMPP provides us a host, that is localhost, and a slash. After the slash, you will have to mention your folder. Our folder is php. Now inside php we have index.php. Fine, now click enter. So guys, here you can see it has opened my page and it is showing my content, hello world. So this is how you can run PHP on your browser by using XAMPP. Without XAMPP, you cannot run your PHP code because it is a server-side scripting language. Remember it. It's a programming language. Fine. So for now, we are done with our video. In next video, we will see more things about PHP. So have a nice day. Take care.